Hello, I'm Terassah Thompson, here to give you a review of the Larksfoot stitch. This is considered an intermediate stitch simply because of the extended or elongated double crochet. Now, double crochet stitches are used throughout, and the intermediate part is when you're doing an extended double crochet across these spaces here. Now, this is a multiple of 4 plus 1. So let's get this on our hook to see how it works up. Have my slip stitch there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then my plus 1 is there. Now throughout, the chain 3 does act as the first double crochet in each row, okay? So let's see, yarn over, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth chain from the hook, I'm going to start my double crochet. So that's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. And remember, I said we're working in threes. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, skip 1, 1, 2, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. Chain 1, skip 1, yarn over. And in the next stitch, I'll start another 3 double crochets across the next 3 chains, which for us will take us to the end of the row. Okay, so I have worked 3 double crochets. Okay, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, skip 1, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to chain up 3. I usually make my last chain just a little bit taller so it's easier for me to recognize on the next round. Okay, and then here all we're going to do is we're going to chain 1 over the chain 1s and double crochet into the double crochets. Okay, that's what we're doing here. So 1, 2, 3 for the double crochet, but I'm going to chain 1 for that chain 1. Okay, so that means I'm skipping this first one because this acts as the first one. Okay, 2, 3. Okay, there's a chain 1. I got my chain 1, and then I'm going to double crochet 1, 2. Okay, and then here we go. Making sure I grab both legs. There we go. Did I? Yep, that's the bump. Great. Okay. So again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We have our chain 1s. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, and I am turning. Okay, now this is where we start our intermediate, elongated, or extended double crochet. Okay, so again we have a chain 1 here, so 1, 2, 3. That's my first double crochet. So that's the chain over that chain. Okay, let me get some slack here, please. Okay, so we're working. Oh. All right, so in this case, we're going to be working in 3 over these stitches. Okay, So I did not insert that correctly. The chain 3 is our first double crochet, and then of course my chain 1 for this chain 1 space. I'm skipping 1 and making 1 double crochet over this double crochet. Okay. Now my extended or elongated double crochet over these spaces, making sure to pull up your loop. So I yarn over to start, I go down, slide my hook through the back, see that? Catch the yarn, pull it up to the same height, wrap my yarn over, complete the double crochet without splitting the yarn. Okay, and then double crochet here. Okay, chain 1, skipping 1 and making the double crochet. Now, if I'm going to be fussing with that V, I just turn over and get the bump. I just turn it over and get the bump. Can I do it? Yes, I can. Okay. There. It's a nice little square there. 1 elongated or EDC extended double crochet. Then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and this is just a repeat of row 2 where we will chain 1 over the chain 1 spaces and double crochet into the double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, that's my first double crochet. There is a chain 1, so I need to have my chain 1. Okay, so yarning over to go into this first double crochet, over this double crochet, which is the extended. Okay, and there's a double crochet there. Some slack, please. Okay, thank you. And then we have a chain 1, so I have a chain 1, and then here's my last double crochet. Again, I'm gonna go the route of least resistance, was just to grab the bump. Okay, there we are. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Okay, same thing as before. Chain over the chains and double crochet over the double crochets. Now this time around we're going to make an elongated stitch here and here. Okay, so I did the 1, 2, 3. Did I already do my chain? I don't even remember. Okay, I did not. Okay, 3. Okay, chain 1 for that chain 1. Okay, my elongated, I go all the way down. Okay, catch it, pull up same height. Okay, double crochet completed, and then I'm going to do double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and then right here is 3. Now of course I should have made this tighter so it'll look flatter. I should have made by, there you go. So 1, 2, 3. 1, skip 1, 1. And this yarn and these donuts, I tell you what, if you can't eat them. So that's 1, and then elongated or extended double crochet. Now, it's a little tricky because this is my second double crochet, but I still need to come out and do a third, so let's not get so wild with that pull up there. I just want to make sure that's okay. We're always thinking in groups of 3 stitches with this pattern. 1, 2, 3, my last one, you know, I just go for my little bump on the back here. That's what I do. It's easier. And this yarn would be much happier with me if I hadn't frogged it so many times. Can I get it in there? We are not being happy. Boom, we're happy. Double crochet. Okay, you do a chain 3, and then of course work double crochets over the double crochets, chain 1 over the chain 1s. You're working in 3s. And this here is your Larksfoot stitch. Pretty much reversible. Thank you.